Go ahead and start smoking, honey. Yeah, get all over the surface, the whole surface here. Okay. Okay. Ooh, God, that's heavy. All right, let's go inside. Oh, don't hit him.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Just piss him off.
Where's that
right
one?
there.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. There's another one. Okay, well, I guess we can take these one frame at a time, I suppose.
Yeah.
And okay, I need to take and scrape the caps so that they, just take the tops off. And what that does, it opens, there's a cap on these, and you just need to open them up. Okay, then they go in here.
Did you get both sides?
I hope so. Okay, now I'm gonna hold this as best I can.
It's hard to get it.
Watch your fingers. Hold it down there. Now turn them around. There we go. Had this hive since 2007, and we've only had one harvest. This is our second harvest. Last year it was too dry and they needed what we had left, and but this year was a great harvest, and so that's one of the benefits, but to me it's a minor benefit to the overall ecological benefit that the bees bring to this neighborhood. You know, it's all about pollination, really. It's a fascinating society, orderly, you know, productive. So it's really I'm just constantly learning from them. The bees, they come in from their foraging and they land on the landing board here, and they communicate to the bees, the other bees, the location of this source of food, or what the source is, if it's nectar, if it's propolis, a source for that, if it is pollen. They communicate that, the location of it, the quantity, the quality, and that's all communicated right there at the front of the hive to the other bees in their little bee dance. But it's all heliotropic. It's all based on where the sun is. Everything they do is based on the movement of the sun. It's just amazing, their sense of navigation and capabilities. when they're born, they work as house bees, and they clean the cells and prepare them and things like that. And then as they graduate from that and get older, they become foragers. And in the summer, when it's real hot and it's a lot of work, they'll last a month. In the winter, when there's not as much, they might last a couple of months longer. And the males don't do anything. They don't have stingers. They just watch TV and, you know, get served, and then they mate. And when they're through mating, they die. Or in the wintertime, they just get kicked out. The females will kick them out. You didn't think you could get so close to 80,000 bees, did you?
No. Yeah, it was quite an experience. I'm surprised how they're not really coming at me as much as I would have thought, being this close. It's because they're so focused on rebuilding right now or something?
Well, they're just focused on working. This is, you know, they're just working. That's all they do. It's really beautiful, very interesting stuff.